Welcome to Best Choice. The best girlfriend gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to express your love and appreciation for the special woman in your life, and finding that perfect present can feel like a delightful challenge, especially when you want to surprise her with something unique and memorable that truly speaks to her heart and shows how well you know her individual tastes and preferences, making this a cherished occasion for both of you. Number 5. My Bestie Gifts Wooden Table Lamp. Looking for a unique gift for your best friend? This lamp is a creative and sweet choice for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. With a special message, this lamp serves as a constant reminder of the sweet memories you share with your best friend. It's a gift that truly speaks from the heart. Enjoy a soft, warm yellow light that's gentle on your eyes. It creates a peaceful atmosphere, making it perfect for any bedroom. Crafted from high-quality pine wood, the base is lightweight, robust, and safe. You can trust its durability and pleasant, natural feel. Your purchase includes the LED base, acrylic sheet, USB cable, and user manual. We also provide friendly customer service to ensure your satisfaction. What we like? This gift offers a comforting glow and a sweet reminder of your bond. If you're looking for a gift that provides both ambience and a heartfelt message, this is a wonderful choice. It's perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in a bedroom or living space. What people say. This is a great gift for your best friend. It is a perfect gift for your best friend. Number 4. Bestie Gifts for Women Friendship Acrylic Puzzle. To my bestie, thank you for being an important piece of my life. This beautiful acrylic puzzle is a meaningful keepsake that expresses your love and gratitude. It's perfect as a desk decoration and comes ready in a gift box. This unique puzzle piece shape symbolizes your unbreakable bond. It's an elegant decor item for your home or office, preserving cherished memories for years to come. Show your appreciation with this heartfelt desk decor. It's a perfect gift to express deep love and gratitude to your soul sister, unbiological sister, or work bestie. This inspirational gift is ideal for birthdays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, or just to say thank you. It's a versatile gift that conveys heartfelt emotions and strengthens your special bond. Crafted from high-quality, thick acrylic, this plaque is designed to last. Its vibrant print ensures the message remains clear and beautiful, making it a cherished keepsake. Whether for a birthday or special occasion, this gift conveys heartfelt emotions. It's a beautiful way to show appreciation and strengthen the friendship you share. What we like? This piece symbolizes your unbreakable bond with a unique puzzle design. If you want a decorative item that also serves as a constant reminder of your friendship, this is ideal. It's a great desk or shelf decoration for someone who appreciates meaningful keepsakes. What people say. This is a great gift for a girlfriend. It is very cute and the quality is good. The design is very unique and it is a perfect gift for any occasion. It comes in a nice box and it is ready to be gifted. Number 3. VERTOY Friendship Bracelet Making Kit. Discover the VERTOY Friendship Bracelet Making Kit, a fun and engaging craft toy perfect for girls aged 6 to 12. It's a rewarding activity that sparks creativity and makes a fantastic gift. This comprehensive kit includes a portable making tool, colorful threads, braiding rings, closures, fashion stickers, and an easy-to-follow guide. Everything you need to start creating is right here. Our unique jewelry making tool features movable pegs to secure your bracelet. This keeps your threads perfectly separated and organized, making the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. With this set, you can create up to 20 unique bracelets using 10 different knot styles. Personalize your creations with 20 fashion pattern stickers to match any style. Making bracelets is a wonderful way to express yourself and connect with others. Create beautiful bracelets and share them with family and friends, spreading positivity and love. This kit is an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's perfect for teens who love expressing their unique style through fashion and crafts. What we like? This kit provides a fun and engaging way to create personalized gifts. If you're looking for an activity that encourages creativity and results in tangible friendship tokens, this is perfect. It's especially great for younger friends or anyone who enjoys hands-on crafts. What people say. This is a great gift for your best friend. It is very pretty and the quality is good. It is a perfect gift for a best friend. It is very pretty and the quality is good. Number 2. Melix Home Friendship Necklace Keyring Set. Celebrate your unbreakable bond with this special set. It's designed for best friends who are always close, no matter the distance. This unique necklace and keyring set symbolizes your enduring friendship. It's a perfect reminder that you're always connected, even when apart. Share this meaningful gift with your closest friend. It's a beautiful way to show how much you cherish your relationship. Crafted with care by Melix Home, this set is made to last. It's a durable and stylish representation of your special connection. Looking for a thoughtful present for your best friend? This set is an ideal choice to express your love and appreciation. Let this set be a constant reminder of your friendship. It's a beautiful symbol of the love and support you share. What we like? This set offers a sweet way to stay connected, even when apart. If you want a matching accessory that visually represents your close friendship, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for best friends who want a subtle yet constant reminder of each other. What people say. This is a great gift for your best friend. It is very pretty and looks exactly like the picture. It arrived quickly and was packaged well. The quality is excellent and it is a perfect size for a desk or shelf. She loved it. It was the perfect gift for her birthday and she has it displayed proudly. Number 1. Piudee Friendship Gifts Jewelry Dish. Celebrate your endless friendship with this special jewelry dish. It's a perfect reminder of your cherished bond, no matter the distance. Looking for a unique gift for your female friend? This trinket dish is designed to express the deep and sincere friendship you share. Crafted from high-quality glazed ceramic with elegant gold trim, this dish is built to last. The clear, firm text ensures your message endures. This compact dish is perfect for storing rings, necklaces, and earrings. Keep your everyday jewelry safe and beautifully displayed on your dresser or desk. Ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or just because, this dish is a thoughtful gift for any woman. It's a beautiful way to show you care for your bestie, soul sister, or any special friend. We are committed to providing beautiful and good quality gifts. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This dish features beautiful sentiments about friendship and is perfect for organizing small items. If you're searching for a practical yet sentimental gift for a friend who loves to keep their jewelry tidy, this is an excellent choice. It's suitable for any occasion to show you care. What people say. This is a great gift for your best friend. It's a cute and thoughtful present. It's a perfect gift for your best friend. It's a cute and thoughtful present. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.